How to create SUNO AI account step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step that you need to do is to go and open your Google Chrome. I'm going to open Google Chrome, then go to the search and search for SUNO AI. Press on enter. Then I'm going to show you their official website. So you'll scroll down. As you can see, this is sponsored. So do not click on this. You will scroll down and click on this one, suno.com. So you are going to click on that link. Then this is their official website. This is their homepage. So you are going to click on sign up. Then you can choose Apple, Discord, Facebook, Google, or Microsoft account. If you would like to sign up with these accounts here, if you have and you like to sign up with these accounts, you can choose any according to your preference. So I'm going to choose Google. I will click on Google. Then you are going to choose the account which you will use to sign up this SUNO AI account. So I'm going to choose this first Google account. Then continue. Then as you can see, the account has been created. Then in order to create, you'll just come to create, and then you can create a song from this interface. So that's really it, guys. That's how you can simply create SUNO AI account.